What's going on, everyone? Today we're playing with the CNC machine again, and today we're going to make an epoxy sign. And it's going to be some islands, and then we'll do a little V-carved compass on it. So I got the files all ready here. My wife gave them to me, so I'm going to go ahead, get it going, and let's go ahead and have a look at the first epoxy sign done on my mostly printed CNC machine. Hopefully it turns out well. Let's see. Well, that was a lot of fun. Now we got it all cut. I'm going to go ahead and, well, I guess it's not all cut. I have to do the compass yet on it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get the V-bit on, and I'm going to get that compass done up right over here. So here's a few clips of that, and then we'll send it off to the wife so she can do the epoxy resin on it, and then do the staining on it, and we'll see how it looks. So here we go. Well, I lied. I didn't get any video of it being poured. It seems like the wife had other plans, like making me help with it. So here it is so far. She's going to do a little sanding, a little cleanup here. And once that's all completed, we'll take a little bit of footage of it here. So check it out right now.